Hi lovely people, welcome to my channel HS World. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel. So today we are making Banga stew, which is Ofe Akwu for rice. So here we'll be using a ready-made palm sauce, Ghana based palm sauce. This is plain palm sauce. So here is cow foot, deboiled cow foot. Here is smoked Titus fish. This is my Maggi. This is my onions. This is my vegetables. Here I have crayfish, dawa, pepper, and oba. So here, this is my salt. So let's go cook this yummy Ofe Akwu. Let's go, guys. First thing to do, put into pot and add water, like 2 plates of water. Depends on the plate and it depends on the quantity of sauce. Add the whole sauce in the water. So like this, you're going to add hot water to wash off the excess palm sauce in the container. So you have to use hot water to remove it properly. Okay, hot water, I said, not cold water, because this is oil. So now let's go. So add in your hot water in the tin. So the hot water I added in the tin, that is the hot water I'm going to use to remove all the excess sauce in the 3 of the tins, so that the water in the Ofe Akwu won't be too much. Because if you start adding hot water like this, it will be too much, which we don't want. Okay, this is how all the tin looks like. Make sure you mix properly so that the lump sauce will disappear. Do you see the way I'm mixing it? So now I found out that it's still thick. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll add in a little water again, because we're going to still cook it. Just it's not that too watery. You don't have to add too much water for it to be watery. So now you have to cover to cook. So when you check your Ofe and you see the oil float like this, you know it's done, and the stew is thick, you know it's done. So next thing is to add in your onions, add in your crayfish, dawa, which is euro, add in your salt, add in your Maggi. Okay, give that a good mix. Then in my stock I'll be using Titus. Add in your Titus fish, add in your deboiled cow foot. It's well cooked and seasoned, so I don't need to start cooking it from the beginning so that it won't be too soft. Now you can find out that the oil floating on the stew is too much, which is the Ofe Akwu. So what you're going to do is to scoop out some oil, the red oil, scoop out some red oil from the Ofe Akwu so that the oil won't be too much. Okay, leave it to cook. Maybe you can use it to cook your soup, you can use it to cook anything you wish to cook. So I've scooped some oil. So this is, you need to cover to cook for some minutes. Okay, next thing to do is to add in your vegetables. You can use spinach, you can use any vegetable of your choice, but the one I'm using is ugu. Give that a good mix. And cover to cook for some, like 3 seconds. Now it's done. So hope you enjoyed this process. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So in this Ofe Akwu, this is Igbo stew. Okay, this is Igbo part, you know. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.